So we came to meet the giveaway winner. He's coming up right now.
What's up, everybody? How we doing? Welcome to the PC giveaway for Christmas, brought to you by Junior Mercs 21 and our business Stealth Digital. It is going to be one for the life, and this is our third PC giveaway for this year alone. It is the third PC we are giving away this year. Hector, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alrighty. Well, we ready to start this shit? This is a PC that y'all gonna be getting to win. Y'all ready to see the specs that this PC comes with? Because I'm gonna show you guys specs. So right now, this PC's on. You're looking at the PC. So that's the giveaway PC. Let's go ahead and open up our task manager. As you can see, everything is working on the PC. Let's make this bigger. Boom. You are running Windows 11 Pro on this PC. As you can see there, it is running an RX 580 with 8 gigs of VRAM. You also do have the integrated graphics, so that gives you another 2 gigs of VRAM. You do have a 1 terabyte SSD NVMe powered by a Ryzen 5 5600G. And just to show you that it's the PC that we're giving away, we're gonna go ahead and turn her off. Like that. Boom. How's it going, Hector? Good morning.
Morning.
Go ahead and talk for a bit, and then we'll just go over everything with them.
Well, yeah. Well, I appreciate everybody that, helped us reach certain goals. I think we're at 200 and something followers. 278. I mean, that was a lot more than when I started at when we did this. We were like at, I think, barely 210. So, I mean, we jumped up about 68. So, it's still better than nothing, man. Like, I appreciate everybody that followed in. But, yeah, I want to thank you guys again for, helping us, reach the little milestones. But, yeah, we still want to do more of these for you guys. I mean, it just happens to be, we're doing this one around Christmas. It's a perfect gift. We know a lot of people can't, afford the fucking PC, and what better way for us to give back to you guys. Also, PS5s, I know certain people want PS5s, and PS5s are getting a lot more harder to come around. I didn't want to release it yet, this news, but I'm for sure trying to get confirmation from, Sony if they do convert these games over to PC. I mean, I might end up giving up my PS5 into another raffle. I mean, I know there's some of you guys that want a PS5. And personally, I wanted a PS5 just because of Sony exclusives. But like I said, if they do what I keep hearing and all these rumors are true, I mean, somebody's gonna be lucky enough to get a PS5. And yeah.
After both people are chosen, we are gonna bring up a raffle wheel. So you guys are gonna be put into a raffle wheel, and to the people that have donated, as of right now, we have 2 people that have donated. So these 2 people, Oxy and Wrecking Crew, they have extra tickets automatically to be entered into the second phase of the giveaway. So you guys are going to be put into a prize wheel. To the 2 winners of the streams, you guys are going to be put on a prize wheel with the people that have donated. So after that is done and you guys are all put into this prize wheel, that shit's going to spin, and then we have our winner. We are down to the 25-second mark to choose the first winner from my stream. Rubbing my baby's belly for good luck. Shit, rub it harder. And we are choosing the first winner. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first winner is Best of the Worst. Best of the Worst.
And his name is John C.
I'm here. What do you respond? You wait here because now you are officially one of the winners. And now Hector gets to choose who wins from his chat. Go ahead, Hector. It is your turn.
All right. So we're about to pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Iverson 500. Hey.
And he's
Congrats.
right there.
Congrats, bro. I'll add you into the prize wheel.
All right. I'm bringing up prize wheel.
George.
All right. Iverson 500. Who's the other person? Best of the worst?
That's the worst.
Or-
Worst dad.
All right, so let me bring up so everybody clearly could see this. The people that have donated are here. We have Oxy FNBR has 1 ticket that he donated $10. Wrecking Crew has 2 tickets. Worst Dad has 3. All right, price wheel is up. Wrecking Crew is Robert, yes.
Or
All right, here. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Because now this is for the money. This is for all the marbles. Let me bring you over here so I can see you.
no shit, Roach.
10,
That's what she
9,
just said.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
All fucking late and shit.
3, 2, 1.
And it's
Green
spinning.
ignition.
And the winner is... Holy shit. Best of the worst is the official winner. Go into the voice audio with us.
Hello?
What's up, bro?
Hey, how are y'all doing?
How you
Good,
feeling?
good.
I don't know, man. Honestly, like, I have no words. I did not think I was gonna win. Oh, that's crazy.
We
I
make
don't
this
even know
shit
what to
tense.
say. Thank you. That was at the countdown that you did. The what was that? The space launch countdown or
Yeah.
whatever. I was in my chair, just like with my hands over my face. I didn't even want to look. Oh my god! Thank you guys. This is
No
awesome.
problem, no problem.
No problem, bro. You West Coast or East Coast?
I'm West Coast.
You're West Coast? You're in Cali?
Uh huh.
You're in
Yeah.
Cali?
I'm in Cali. Yeah. Yep.
You see you see my screen?
On Twitch?
Yeah, on Twitch.
Yeah, I do.
All right, so here's your PC, man. You're gonna have our Stealth Digital logo from our business right here, stealthdigital.org. You are getting the SDA 1300. It is a $1,300 PC. You're running an 8 gig RX 580 XFX. So instead of me just saying it, let me take you to your specs, bro. Where's my task manager? Let's go ahead and pull it up. All right.
I'm literally like standing up. I can't even sit down.
All right. All right. Do you see your CPU?
I'm trying to see. I don't know where is it listed?
It'll be on the
there?
top right above my
Oh,
camera.
yeah. Ryzen 5 5600G.
So you have a
Man.
brand new processor, this generation AMD. So you do have that.
Man, that's crazy.
I have it overclocked to 4.2, by the way. So it's already overclocked.
Mm-hmm.
Your memory of RAM is 16 gigs, running at the overclock speed of 3,000 megahertz. This is your SSD. We actually hooked you up and made sure it's a 1 terabyte. So you have 1 terabyte of storage, NVMe M.2. So you have very fast storage on this PC.
Thank you.
GPU, you have a Radeon RX 580. As you can see, you see down here where I have my mouse right now? Where it says
Yeah.
all right, so you see how much VRAM you have with this PC?
8 gigabytes. That's crazy.
And you have 2 in reserve because of the integrated graphics of 2.
Man, damn. That's awesome.
As soon as he says that he's on his way, then we're actually gonna go ahead and head over to you, bro, and meet up with you.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate that so much.
I'm gonna put on the side tempered glass, put it in its box, and then we'll be bringing it to you. You're also getting a keyboard and mouse with it, by the way.
That's... I have no words. Thank you. Like, I really don't even know what to say anymore. This is crazy that y'all are doing this.
No problem. Just trying to give back to our community.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. All right, well, I'll let y'all get to it then. I'll keep a look on those messages. Thank you so much.
No problem.
No problem, bro. GG's, by the way.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, guys, we have a winner. We're gonna be meeting up with him today and giving him his PC.
So we came to meet the giveaway winner. He's coming up right now. How's it going, man?
Good, and you?
Good.
Hi.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Excited?
Yeah, honestly, this is just crazy, man. I don't even know, like, I don't know, man. This is crazy.
It's all yours, man.
Thank you.
How did you hear about us?
Dave.
Oh,
This is
shit.
Dave, yeah. So, he goes to this school, and me and him we've been friends for a while, and he was like,
You know he's my first giveaway winner, right?
and that's what he told me. He was like, you should start watching, and and I saw when he won, that's when I started to watch a little bit,
Yeah.
and then from there, I've been watching for a little bit, and yeah.
Well, is it okay if we watch you set her up?
Yeah, so you can come right up.
So he's opening up his PC.
You can already see the top of it.
So do you have the gaming mouse right there if you want to take it off before you're taking out the whole PC?
Yeah.
Easiest way to get it out, just flip it upside down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This thing is a beast.
So did you get to see the full specs on it?
I did. I rewatched the stream like 5 times.
So you see that you're running really high-end parts on here. Because usually we don't put X570 motherboards into the giveaways, especially from MSI. Oh, there she is.
Awesome. This is crazy.
You want your friends to see too, or?
Yeah. Jared, Isaac, you guys want to come see?
Make sure to turn it on in the back too from the power supply. There you go.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Wait, it is pretty
That's so crazy.
Woo. Okay.
Dang.
Damn,
Look at the graphics.
Shade.
Yeah, I know. Look at the graphics card. It looks like, I don't know, like just a unit, an absolute unit.
You lucky ass bitch.
I know.
Oh
my god. This is so crazy. Let's see what it looks like on the screen.
Let's see. Is your monitor off?
Should be on now.
You always put it on. You always turn it off.
Sometimes I turn it off, yeah. There it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
It looks so clean. Subscribe to... I'm trying to... Wait. No! Stop.
Hey, we used to be called 360 Entertainments, but
Oh,
we're
really? Yeah.
Cris Entertains.
Well, go ahead and subscribe to Cris Entertains. It's me. Man, this is. I don't even know. I can't think right now. This is Cris Entertains and his friend, Chris. This is wild.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy and have fun.
Yeah, I will. Oh my god. This is wild.
Go ahead.
I don't even know what to do now. I gotta. Well, it looks like Modern Warfare's on it.